the title of my piece is Now. This is inspired by Greta Thunberg's speech in the UN Climate Change Summit 2019. It's about what's happening in the environment and how we, ay mga tao, kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin hanggang ngayon. And kung ano magiging epekto niya sa susunod na generations. Actually, nung naghanap ako ng music, narinig ko nga yung speech ni Greta. So why not use this as the music para mas strong yung piece?
How dare you! You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words. And yet, I'm one of the lucky ones.
At the same time, naisip ko na medyo speech lang. So why not put some music from a lighter instrument to dark? Gusto kong ipakita doon kung gaano kaganda yung environment natin and kung paano ting nasira. Working in Zoom, sobrang hirap. Majority of the dance kailangan ng groups. Not all of my dancers and especially me. Hindi malaki yung space ko. So, stop mo to ng konti. Boom and... Kahit isang tao lang ang maparealize mo on what's happening with our environment. I believe na mag-multiply din yan. And hopefully, on that one person, ma-change niya rin yung ibang mindset ng tao.